everyone, it's Megan with the Crafty Music Lover here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be planning for the week of January 2nd through the 8th in my social media planner. I did do a setup video on this planner, so if you guys are interested in seeing that, don't forget to check the description box below. For this kit, I'm going to be using a couple of things. So this is a goals list from the Jolly Factory on Etsy. If you guys are interested in seeing the different kinds of stickers that you have, you can use my code to save yourself a little bit of money. I am an ambassador for the Jolly Factory. Then, because I love Planning with Designs, I'm going to use her kit in this week's Plan With Me as well. So I'm going to be using the Snowmen item from her kit that's already on her shop. This is the purple snowman, and because Rebecca from the PR has a snowman themed freebie, I decided I wanted to pair it together so I could use more deco and more fun things. If you guys are interested in getting your own items from Planning with Designs, you can use any of the PR codes, but if you want my specific freebie, which is Megan's Cozy Winter, you can use my code Megan15 to save yourself 15% off of your order. This is what my freebie looks like. I absolutely love this freebie. I designed it. Well, I didn't design it. I asked for specific items that could be used for the entire winter season so that you wouldn't have to use it just for January, just for December. With all that being said, we're going to go ahead and get started. Like I said, this is a social media spread, so I'm going to go ahead and get my social media icons out. So I've got TikTok, there it is, YouTube. And I do have more that I got. These icon stickers are from Proud Sticker Designs if you're interested in getting your own. I use Plan with Elise's code to get myself some money off, so use her code if you are interested. If you guys missed my setup video for January's, currently this is what it looks like. It is using Squared Plans printables, and this is just kind of how I set it up. I haven't filled it out yet because I wanted to show you guys what this looks like, but we are going to go ahead and pull out our pages. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and get started. This is actually printables that I got from Terrific Templates Co. And I kind of edited it to fit my own style. So that's what we have here. I'm going to set these icon stickers aside because I won't need them until later. So we're going to go ahead and get started with, I think I want to go ahead and start with some deco. So for my dashboard, the way I think I'm going to set this up, and I'm going to use this month as a tester month to see how it works, and I kind of talked about this in my setup video, so if you guys are interested in seeing a little bit of how I'm planning on using it, definitely check that out. But I'm going to put all of my Instagram posts over here. We're going to start over here. This is going to be my filming list, so I want to make sure that there is enough room for that. But yeah, I think we're going to start with this sidebar sticker. And instead of that list, I'm going to make it here. You can still kind of see the bullets, but that is okay with me. And I think I want to use, let's see. Oh my gosh, I have to use this polar bear making a snowman. I think that's so cute. Oh my gosh, look at how cute he is. That's so adorable. And then let's do, I'm gonna use these mittens and put them up here in this corner. And then down here is where I track, that's what I wanted to use these for. Down here is where I track my pods and affiliates. So we're gonna do, I don't remember how many pods I have, so I'm gonna stick with 3. And if I need to add more, I can definitely do that. I'm gonna have to lift you up, Mr. Snowman, so that I can fit this last one here. He's okay right there. Let's do, I don't need this anymore, I don't think. Yes. We're gonna use oh, well, let go. I'm gonna put here with this box over here. I need to white out that edge though. And I need a label for here. I think we're going to use, I don't want to do too much purple, so we're going to do this pink one. Oop, that is crooked. I'm going to add some more of these guys. Let's do the purple snowman here. Okay, no, it bothers me that it's still crooked. Okay. He's so cute. Oh my gosh, this is turning out really adorable. There's like hair everywhere. It's my hair, but there's hair everywhere. Okay, put that there, and I need Rebecca's freebie because I'm going to put, I'm going to put this snowman guy right here. Yeah. Oh, I don't want to cut off his arm though. My gosh, I can't put it on straight. There we go. Oh, so cute. Okay, let's move to this side. And I want to make sure I can see. I definitely want to do, let's see, so it would be helpful if I put the dates down, wouldn't it? That would be useful. Where did my date covers go? I've got these. So it would be the 2nd. So we do have $2 Tuesday coming out. So I want to make sure I have that. Along with, oh gosh, where did, oh, it's right here. Let's do this pink box for $2 Tuesday because this other box is for my Instagram posts. So we're gonna right out there, right out there. I always mess this up. There we go. I think I'm gonna put the snowman here. And this one there. We're gonna use let's use the rest of this sheet here. Put Friday. And here. Whoops. Okay, now for some more deco. I think we're going to use this guy right here. Because I want to put one here, so maybe we'll put him there. And this little guy. Oh, well, hold on. We're going to move things around. And we're going to put you. Oh, I always forget about the arm. You here. And you are going to go here. Let's make sure it is even, though. You're kind of covering up the S in Saturday. But it's okay. I'm going to add those later. I do need a set of bullets on, technically I need it on Thursday, but we're going to put it on Sunday. However, I'm going to take the box that I kept fixing because it was crooked. We're going to just take that back because I'm going to use it if I can. Oops, I ripped it a little. It's okay. No one will know. It'll be fine. There we go. And we're going to put this box over here so that it's not too many colors all at once. Because I need a to-do list. And I still have room for my... Oh, well maybe I don't need a to-do list because I have one here. Oh well. We'll just leave that there. And we'll put... this coffee cup there to cover the fact that I messed up. And... okay. Chilling with my Snowmies. I think we're going to put it over here. Because I need some sort of quote on this side. And then we're going to put these mittens right here. And then maybe the coffee cup here. Okay. I should probably go ahead and put down the dates. So this starts with the 2nd. Alrighty, so that is it for this week's Plan With Me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Once again, if you want to use my code Megan15 to save yourself 15% off of PlanningwithADesigns Etsy, she hand draws these stickers. She designs them herself, so these are not like artwork that she has purchased from other people. This is stuff she's drawn herself, and I am absolutely obsessed with her stickers, her designs, and I am so excited to be using this kit and to be showcasing her amazing stickers. So, like I said, if you guys want to save some money, use my code, or you can use Rebecca's code, which is some of the items that I used in this kit. If you want to purchase this kit for yourself, I will leave it down in the description box below so you can check that out. If you are new here, welcome. I am so excited you decided to join me. I hope you'll stick around for more. Check out the description box for different playlists related to planner and crafting videos, and different links for my PRs and my link tree. It's all in the description. If you like what you see and you want to see more from me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up. It helps me out a lot, and it lets me know that you guys want to see more content like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for hanging out with me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got some inspiration. I hope you like how this looks. And until next time, craft on. Bye guys!